By the end of this video, you will know how to set up flat fee billing in Clio Manage. Start by going to Matters in Clio Manage and opening the matter you want to configure. This should be the specific matter where you want flat fee billing to apply, since billing settings are managed at the matter level. Once the matter is open, look for the option to edit the matter details and select it to enter the settings for that record. Inside the matter settings, go to the Billing Preference section. This is where Clio Manage stores the billing setup for the matter, including whether the matter can be billed and which billing method is assigned. Before selecting the flat fee option, make sure the setting labeled "This matter is billable" is checked. If that box is not selected, the billing method options will not be applied as expected, so it is worth confirming this before moving on. After that, find the billing method field and change it to flat rate. This switches the matter from another billing structure, such as hourly billing, to a flat fee arrangement for this file. Once flat rate is selected, the flat fee details area becomes the place where you complete the rest of the setup. Under flat fee details, choose the fee recipient. This determines who receives credit for the fee on the matter. So select the appropriate person or account based on how your firm tracks billing responsibility. If your workflow uses fee categories, you can also select a flat fee category here. This step is only needed when a category should be assigned. So if your setup does not require one, you can leave that field as it is. Next, enter the flat fee in the amount field. This is the total fee that will be associated with the matter under the flat rate billing method. Make sure the amount entered reflects the intended charge for the work tied to this matter, since this value becomes part of the matter's billing configuration. With those fields completed, click Save Matter to apply the changes. Saving updates the matter so the billing preference now reflects a billable matter with a flat rate, along with the selected fee recipient, any chosen fee category, and the amount you entered. If the page takes a moment to refresh after saving, wait for the update to finish so you can confirm the changes have been stored. At this point, the matter is configured for flat fee billing in Clio Manage. If you return to the billing preference section later, you should see the flat rate method and fee details that were just saved. This gives you a clear way to verify that the correct matter was updated and that the fee amount is in place. The matter is now set up with flat fee billing in Clio Manage.